morning. I hope you are all fine by the grace of God. Today we are going to take the first part of exercises in English language. But before that, let us revise parts of speech with the help of Ivan Cap. So, what are the important points that you have to keep in mind? First of all, interjection shows feeling or emotions. For example, wow and hooray. And there are many other words you may be remembering. I have done it in the past. Wow, what a wonderful dress, if you say in the sentence. What is interjection in that? That's the wow. Hooray, we have won the match. What is interjection in that? Hooray. Now what you have to remember is to find out in a sentence that if there's interjections, that is the exclamatory mark or exclamation over there. So you have to remember this mark that is there, that then you will come to know that interjection, the word is for interjections. Second is the verb. You know what is verb? Doing words or action words are called words. For example, sleeping, dancing, eating, crying. Now, to remember what is a verb in a sentence, if you translate the word in Hindi and if you translate the English word into Hindi and the word is got na at the back, then you know that it's a doing word. For example, eating. And if you use the translated word that is khana, okay, khana, that's a doing word. Now, so I'll give you some more examples like sona, sleeping, nahana, all the words that are having na in it, if you see it in the sentence and translate the word, that's a verb. Now we come back to adverbs. Tells the manner how a person moves, manner. Tells the manner how Ram is running fast. How Ram is running, that's adverbs. Fast is adverb. Next, nouns. Naming words are called nouns. Nouns are naming words. For example, Ram, Sita, Delhi. Now, in a sentence, if you feel that there is no naming words, you see, feel, touch. If a sentence is having such words like the child is having high fever. So what is fever over here? It's a noun. The breeze is cold. Now what is breeze over here? It is a noun, because in a noun you can see it, you can feel it and you can touch it. If you see these three things in that sentence, that's a noun. Coming to conjunctions, joining words are called conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They join a sentence, phrase or words together. Do you remember fanboys? Yes, those 7 important words, if you remember, those are conjunctions. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S stands for F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. So fan boys. Now coming to adjectives. Describing words are called adjectives. Now if you want to see what are adjectives in the sentence, that is, you will come to know about bad, good or neutral. The word will be bad, either you are saying something good about a person, like Sita is a good girl or Sita is beautiful, Ram is honest. Those are all good words. For example, beautiful, honest, those are good words. Now something you want to say is bad in a sentence. The boy is lazy. The boy is dishonest. So something that is bad, that is called adjective. The word be adjective. Neutral. For example, the boy is tall. Ram is short. So tall, short, thin, fat, neutral words. Those are adjectives. Now, pronouns used in place of a noun. We use pronouns in place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, them, and so on. Prepositions shows relationship between nouns, verbs and adjectives. Shows relationship where a thing is. bed sheet is on the bed, the TV is on the wall. So all the words like in, on, under, behind, these are all, what are they? Prepositions. So I come to the end of revision. Now let us do some exercises in the notebook. Now we'll do exercise number A. That is, underline the parts of speech in the sentence. Look at the rainbow in the sky. So look is a verb, at preposition, the rainbow noun, in pronoun, sky again noun. Second one, stop, interjection, don't jump, verb, into preposition, the pool noun, the water noun, is filthy noun. Several areas of Bihar noun and conjunction, West Bengal noun, were flooded verb. I missed out the third one, that is, the Rajdhani Express noun was delayed verb because conjunction of a technical sang, that is noun. Now come back to the fifth one. The police noun could barely control verb, the crowd noun that ran verb, onto preposition, the street noun. Sixth, wow, interjection, India noun, one verb, the match. Seventh, our school noun will remain closed verb, on preposition, Monday noun, as the teachers noun have to attend verb, a meeting. 8. He pronoun was driving verb, very fast adjective, on preposition, the highway noun. 9. This cute adjective, litter of puppies noun, was born verb, yesterday noun. 10. Hush, interjection, the child noun, is sleeping verb. 11. Birds noun, of a feather, flock noun, together verb. 12. Oh no, interjection, I hope that isn't true. 13. I pronoun was tired verb, so conjunction, I pronoun, slept verb. 14. John noun, is hungry verb, give him verb, some sandwiches noun. 15. Oops, interjection, I pronoun, spilt verb, the milk noun. Now I request everyone to do all the exercises in their copies, the English language copy which you have made. I think you don't have books. If you have books, do it in the book. If you don't have books, do it in the copy, English language copy. For the homework, I like you to do exercise B and C. You will come to know from that exercise, you remember the nouns, pronouns. Do you remember all parts of speech? You will come to know, and you will be filling all the words, read the sentence nicely, and you will come to know which part of speech that belongs to. So do that for homework. Goodbye. God bless.